New free code from MQL5, indicators, EE and scripts for traders. Overview Session Daylight Gradient is an ambient session awareness indicator for Metatrader 5. Instead of drawing heavy session boxes, it uses a soft background gradient that visually communicates the current market regime equity hours, rising activity, peak volatility, and fade at a glance. This helps traders stay aligned with typical session behavior without cluttering the chart. What you see on the chart session daylight background, a colored gradient that changes smoothly through the trading day, Pacific Quiet Reset Asia Range Consolidation London Activity Increase London MY Overlap Peak Volatility MY Fade Out into Pacific Session Event Markers Optional, vertical separator lines and compact labels for key events such as Asia Open Asia Close London Open London Session MY Open Overlap Start London Close MY Close Pacific Open Summaries Optional. Add highlighted time windows for scheduled events, for example economic news. You can enter multiple times in a simple list, and each is drawn as a summary band around the timestamp. Why it's useful: most session indicators show boxes that dominate the chart. This indicator focuses on low noise, high information visuals. You instantly sense whether you are in a calmer session or a high volatility window. The background is subtle opacity adjustable, so price action remains the priority. Event markers give structure without forcing you to read a timetable every day. Times and handling: important markets trade globally, but brokers and PCs can use different time references. This indicator provides 3 modes. UTC recommended for consistent global session definitions. Broker server time uses your broker's server time chart time. PC local time uses your computer's local time. Additionally, you can apply a manual DST shift hours to correct cases where daylight saving time causes session alignment to appear off by 1 hour. Main inputs: general settings, enable gradient, enable visible the background gradient, enable summaries, enable visible news, highlight bands. Session time mode: choose UTC, broker server, PC local. Manual DST shift hours, manually shift session reference by hours 1-10. Session times HH current MN customize session windows using simple strings. Asia start, Asia end, London open start, London open end, overlap start, overlap end, MI close start, MI close end, Pacific start, Pacific end, wraps midnight. By design: colors intensity, Pacific color, Asia color, London color, MI color. Max opacity controls how subtle the background is 0-55. Smoothing strength, smooth transition strength. Visual separators show session lines, session line color, session line style, session line width, summary times. Example 1430, 1600 or 2026-01-11 1430, 1600. Summary width minutes, summary opacity, summary color. Performance notes: the indicator draws chart objects, rectangles, line sticks only for the visible range plus a buffer. If you use very low time frames with a large visible history, consider reducing visible bars or disabling some visual features for maximum responsiveness. Typical workflow: attach the indicator to any chart. Set session time mode to UTC recommended. If sessions appear shifted, adjust manual DST shift hours. Enable show session lines for clearer structure. Add summary times if you want news event highlights. Trade Renko charts automatically using the advanced Renko expert advisors. Clean trends, better entries. Discover them here. Thanks for reading. Discover premium Metatrader solutions at Robot FX. 68,147 best Metatrader indicators, profitable expert advisors.